Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marv, and the recipe that I'm going to show you is the recipe that gets me through the week. I love how simple and easy it is to cook and how delicious it tastes. There are actually so many varieties of this recipe that is perfect to make with a family. If you have a busy weeknights, you don't have to worry about this recipe, because this recipe that I'm going to show you is a one stir fry that is simple, easy, and delicious. Okay, enough of talking, let's dive into it. So before we start, make sure that your pan is really hot and add some oil, because we will be frying some fish later. So yeah, we need to heat our pan. So while we're waiting for this oil to get hot, we can start preparing all the ingredients that we need. In this recipe, we need some garlic, some cilantro, pepper. If you like some extra kick with this recipe, yeah, feel free to use any kind of pepper you like. We also need some ginger for this recipe and spring onions as well. This is just optional. Sweet pepper or bell pepper. This is also an optional. Black beans, oyster sauce, flour, cornstarch to thicken the sauce later, soy, pepper, and salt. And the fish of choice is a salmon fish. We can start chopping our garlic. Just thinly slice the garlic. Set it aside. This chili will just add some extra layer of flavor. We need some scallions as well. We don't need much of this sweet pepper or bell pepper. And when cutting the fish, make sure that you will cut the fish against the grain. Okay, once everything has been cut, transfer into a dish. Let's add a little bit of salt, pepper, and we will add some flour. Not too much with the flour, just enough to coat them with flour one by one. And we will fry them . So now we're ready to transfer this into a clean dish. Using the same oil, we will fry the ginger, just to make sure not to overcook, as you will lose all the flavor. Once everything is cooked, just remove it from the oil, set it aside. So back to our pan. This one has a little oil, and we can always add a little bit more. We'll saute the garlic. And we can add half of the cilantro. and a little bit of ginger. That's a little bit of water. Oyster sauce. A little bit of soy sauce. Some pepper. It's a starch with water just to thicken the sauce. You can add our pepper, more cilantro, and our fish and ginger. I'll just stir this one until everything is all been coated by the sauce. Now we can add our chili and onions. Turn off the gas. Now it's done. We're ready for plating. And some fermented black beans. So, here we are, and my favorite part of my video is to taste the recipe. Oh man. Oh, it's really good. I hope you guys try this at home. It's nice and juicy. A little salty, a little sweet. Oh man. You should stop watching this video right now. Go out there, buy all the ingredients that you need, and start cooking this dish. I guarantee it's really good. Oh. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave the comment down below, what do you think of this dish? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. You can share this recipe or share this video to your friends and family. And until then, see you next time.